Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Bobby L's, and today I am going to unbox the Traxxas Stampede Unassembled 4x4 kit. It actually comes with everything you need but battery and charger. It comes with the electronics and all. So we're gonna do it like this. I've already laid everything out for you because I didn't feel like going through the box and doing all that, pointing out. It's laid out for you. So we're just gonna go through each one step by step. First, let's start with these monster wheels. The wheel and tire bag, 4 wheels, monster tires, good to go. Good thing to start with. Next, you have your clear, non-painted body, pre-cut. We're gonna have fun with this. Can't wait to see what I come up with. This is what I said about the electronics. The controller, servo, ESC, everything is in here. And you have your motor as well. So this is included in the Unassembled kit. Right here, you got your chassis. Gotta have your chassis, but everything you need for your chassis is in this bag right here. You got your rear bulkhead bag, everything you need right here. You got your steering bag. I think you're gonna need this because you're gonna want to steer your car, don't you think? Got your front bulkhead bag, everything you need. You got your body mount bag. Can't mount this if you don't mount this. Center drive line bag. And you want to be able to move front and rear, 4-wheel drive. Need this. Shock bag. Need the shocks, man. You gotta be able to bounce around. Differential bag. You know how important that is. And most of all, Traxxas did an excellent job with this how-to guide. It is step by step to the detail, everything you need, how to do it, how to take it apart in color. And you got all your stickers and stuff in the back, all your goodies. So there you go. You will need a toolkit, which my fiance, by the way, this was a Christmas gift from my fiance, so, and it is December 25th, 2019, and it is actually Christmas, and I am unboxing this on Christmas Day, so she sleep, so got some free time. But she picked this up as well, which is the Traxxas toolkit. Every tool you will need is in here. It's in a zipper bag. I don't want to open it yet because I'm not gonna. When I open this, is when I'm gonna get down and dirty and everything. So I got this and a couple other little things I got, but here it is, man. Traxxas Stampede 4x4 Unassembled Kit, the unboxing. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, Shark Life Tech RC. Just stay tuned, man. Best believe I'm definitely going to be showing the step-by-step process of assembling this vehicle. I can't wait. Subscribe, like the video, and I hope to see you down the road. Probably starting in a couple of days, so stay tuned. Shark Life Techies out. Bobby L's. Let's get it. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Bobby L, Shark Life Techie, back at you. And I forgot to do this, so I'm going to add it in. This is the instruction manual, guide, and everything. So I'm going to just go through this pull out everything that's in the bag. So first of all, you got here your warranty card. You can do this online, or you can fill this out, mail it in, and do it within 10 days. So make sure you got your warranty. You have the Stampede full color assembly manual. I mean full color, it's full color detail. Just happened, so oh well. Full color detail. Breaks down everything to the T. Definitely need that. Information about the ID auto battery sensor. Might want to look into that. Nice little feature. Some Stampede do's and don'ts. I think this has, let's see, if you're gonna order some parts, has the breakdown of every part number, everything, all these parts listed is in this book. If you need to lose something, you need to reorder something, here you go. You got stickers. More stickers. More items. Battery hold down, body clamps. And the little tool kits they do give you, you will need this as well, so keep up with it. But that's everything. Boy, Bobby L's Shark Life Techie. Make sure you follow, subscribe to the channel, Shark Life Tech and RC. See y'all later. The next video will definitely be the video of me starting this, putting it together. It's your boy Shark Life Bobby L's. I'm out. Okay, here you go, y'all. Now check this out. Now, everything came in the box that you need. You can't beat this. And Traxxas, like I said, makes an excellent job of naming every single part that you need, giving you a full color assembly manual, everything you need. I mean, look at everything. Chassis bag, electronics bag, rear bulkhead, steering bag, front bulkhead, monster wheels, assembly guide, mounting bag, center drive line bag, shock bag, differential bag. It's your boy Bobby L, Shark Life Techie, signing off. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to tune in. I'm definitely about to start putting this thing together, step by step.